Visa extension process for divorced or widowed women in the UAE. UAE Federal Law Number 6 of 1973 concerning entry and residence of foreign nationals, as thereafter amended by Federal Law Number 13 of 1996 regarding the immigration law, along with several ministerial decisions, governs the rules and regulations about the issuance of visas in the country. Accordingly, the Federal Authority for Identity and Citizenship has promulgated a new rule for divorced, widowed women and their children. The new rule grants divorced or widowed women and their children to extend their visas for another year without a local sponsor at the General Directorate and Residency of Foreign Affairs, GDFRA. Moreover, the new rule comes with comprehensive change in the visa regulations in the country, which benefit the foreign expatriate widows or divorcees to manage their status in the country. It is important to note that under the concerned scheme, visas can only be extended once. How to avail the visa extension. To avail of such benefit, it is important to note that the visa of the applicants must be under the husband or guardian at the time of either divorce or demise, and the concerned visa was not expired. Following the procedures highlighted by the GDFRA, the visa will be processed within 48 hours from the date of applying to grant widows and divorced women an opportunity to sponsor their own or children's visa if they do not have male guardians to support them. Procedure for visa extension. The new rule lays down the procedure for applying and the prerequisites to be considered before registering for visa extension. Number 1. The applicants must submit an application form provided by the GDFRA, along with an official divorce certificate or a death certificate, as the case may be. Number 2. The applicants must also submit proof of their previous or existing visa, such as a copy of their old visa or any proof for the family. Number 3. In addition, it is important to note that a nominal fee has been charged by the authority of 100 dirhams for extending the visa and another 100 dirhams for cancelling the existing visa. Number 4. Further, the new rule specifies that the visa or residency period for the children will not exceed that of the mother. Visa extension prerequisite. The following conditions must be met before submitting a request for visa extension. Number 1. The woman and the children must be under the sponsorship of the husband during the divorce or death, and such a visa should be valid. Number 2. Proof of divorce or death must be submitted. Number 3. Proof of availability of a house is required. Number 4. A certificate of medical fitness should be provided to the authority for the mother and children above the age of 18, along with their Emirates ID. Number 5. Health insurance cards, if requested by the authority. Number 6. Tenancy contract in the name of the mother. The advantages of visa extension. Number 1. Visa extensions assist women who have lost their breadwinner of the family, preventing her and the children to be in legal limbo. Number 2. Divorced or widowed women also do not need to leave the country immediately post-divorce or death of their guardian. The rule also applies to women who don't have a valid employment visa. Number 3. The new rule also provides additional time for women to manage the situation and either seek for employment or leave the country. Number 4. Lastly, the reform will allow women to settle until the legal proceedings with regards to their divorce or death are complete, not leaving them in financial constraints.
For more of our latest updates, like and subscribe to this channel.